welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have an unboxing of the Look Fantastic box for October. This is a box that I don't usually unbox kind of face to face. I do usually do it sitting on my floor, but because I was sitting down to film a few other videos and this box did arrive so late this month, that's why I'm filming it this way. So this is how the October box came. It is this gorgeous blue coloured box, and definitely a box I will be keeping because it is such a gorgeous shade of blue. Like I said, this box did arrive a lot later than it usually does. I do tend to get my dispatch email within the first few days of the month, but this time round it didn't get dispatched to me until about the 16th of October, so I did only receive it in the past few days. It hasn't been this late before, so I'm just taking it to be a one-off, obviously given the current climate with things, but I usually do like to get these videos up quite early. Just before I show you what we received this month, just to explain a bit about this subscription service. This is a monthly subscription service that is £15 a month. That does include delivery and it is from the website Look Fantastic. Payment is usually taken for this subscription service between the 1st and 5th day of the month, with dispatch happening as soon as your payment is taken. Like I say, this month appears to be an exception to the rule because I think this is the only Look Fantastic box I've ever received late. So for your £15 you will get 6 different items. This subscription service does tend to be quite skincare heavy, which is absolutely fine for me, but you do get the odd makeup product in there as well. So why don't I show you what I received this month. So in the top of the box you do get this booklet which does detail the prices of things. So once I've gone through the items I will go back through and reveal the prices. So inside we have this really pretty pink tissue paper, and I can see that the products are already bursting out of here. So let's see what's in there. So the first thing on top here is from the brand Glove, and this is a soft hair wrap, which is a super absorbent hair towel, and it's supposed to shorten the dry time of your hair. I have been wanting to try one of these hair towels for the longest time because my hair does take a long time to dry. It is really thick and wavy, so I usually have to kind of blow dry it every time. I don't ever tend to let it dry naturally, but maybe having something like this will assist. So I'm really excited to give this one a go, and let me just open it up. It is a super soft towel and it comes like this. So you can put it on your head, and then it does have a button here to fasten it to tie it. So I'm really excited to give this a go and see if it does in fact decrease the dry time of my hair. So a great first product so far. Then we have a product from Starskin. These are the Eye Catcher Smoothing Biocellulose Eye Masks. So it says on the back here to refrigerate 10 minutes before use to enhance the depuffing effect. So I don't tend to suffer really from puffy under eyes. It is mainly dark circles, but I really do like under eye masks, so I'm excited to give these ones a go and see what they're like. Then we have something from the brand E-Cooking, and this is the Overnight Foot Cream. This is quite a strong smelling product, so I can kind of smell it through the lid. Yeah, so this does smell of sort of peppermint and eucalyptus, so really strong smelling product. I don't tend to sort of do any treatments or anything on my feet. I did in my recent FabFitFun unboxing receive a foot mask, which I did say I was going to try, but that was one of the foot masks that you kind of wear. This is just a foot cream which you do keep on overnight, so kind of like a foot mask, but it's a product that I probably will give a go because I don't probably look after my feet enough, and they do definitely do enough walking and things, so could probably do some TLC. Then we have a product from Bubble Tea. This is the Earl Grey Bath Tea, and this one says it's exclusive to the Look Fantastic beauty box. This says it's a sweet citrus aroma. It's containing 100 grams of tea infused bath salts. So I'm really intrigued by that. I can't remember the last time I used bath salts. I tend to just go for a normal bubble bath and a bath bomb occasionally, so excited to give this one a go. Citrusy, it might be quite nice and refreshing of a scent, so excited to give this a go as well. Then we have this product from By Terry, and this was the sneak peek from last month. This is the Balm de Rose, and I think this is just a kind of liquid lip balm. I'm not a huge fan of anything rose scented, so I'm kind of hoping, yeah, it does smell quite heavily of rose, so I don't know if this is going to be quite a product for me. I might give it a little go and see, because I am intrigued by it and I am definitely into these kind of products more recently, so it is a nice product to receive, and By Terry isn't a cheap brand, but it is quite heavily scented. Now the final product we have in here is from the brand Balance Me. This is the Bakuchoil, I don't even know if that's how you say it, Bakuchoil I think it is, smoothing serum. So it says on the back, this is a plant-based alternative to retinol, which improves radiance, texture, fine lines and wrinkles with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protection. So that sounds like a really good product, and I definitely have been getting into retinol products recently. So if this is a sort of plant-based alternative, I probably will quite like this one too. When I first did see that it said Balance Me, I was kind of hoping it would be their skin congestion serum, because I think I am coming towards the end of the tube of that I have, and it is a really great serum, but it's quite pricey to be purchased, so I was hoping they'd kind of set me back up here. But I do like that other serum, so I'm probably going to like this one too. I'm excited to give it a go. So normally at this point I would put them all back in the box so you could see them as I go through each of the prices, but because of holding up they'll all tip out, so I'm just going to read through and show you each item up as I talk about it. So the first product mentioned here is the Glove hair wrap towel, which is obviously this. This one is worth $14.99. It says it is suitable for all hair types. It's made from innovative microfiber technology that is more gentle than regular cotton towels, so I'm excited to give that one a go, and it does feel really nice and soft. Then we have the e-cooking overnight foot cream, which is this one. So this one is worth £8.10, and this says working its magic while you sleep. It removes dead skin cells and moistures all at once with a refreshing eucalyptus scent, which I could definitely smell. For maximum effectiveness, put on socks after applying it. So excited to give it a go, and like I say, my feet could probably do with some TLC. Then we have the By Terry lip balm, which is worth £14. So it says this travel friendly version of the signature lip balm combines luxury and protection, infused with shea butter, rose flower, wax and vitamin E. It glides onto the lips effortlessly while providing a subtle shine, perfect for on-the-go nourishment. So this is actually only a travel size mini. It's a decent sized product, and this is worth $14. Then for the eye masks, it looks like we could have received one of two, the Star Skin or the ones from Beauty Pro. Both are worth £4.25. I have tried the ones from Beauty Pro before and I did really like them, so I'm excited to give a go at these ones and see what they're like. Then we have the Bubble Tea Earl Grey Bath Tea, and this one is worth £5.99, and this says it provides a delicious scent when dropped into warm running water and is formulated to relieve aches and pains, so this sounds ideal. And then finally we have the serum from Balance Me, and this one is worth £11. So as I said earlier, it's a plant-based retinol alternative which has anti-aging benefits without irritation and sensitivity. It's for smoother skin texture and enhanced collagen production and reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, so that does sound really good. And then on the back we have the sneak peek for November. This is a Niobe Oxygen Light Cream, aloe vera green tea, raspberry never know how to say this, is it jojoba or jojoba, sweet almond oil and grapeseed oil. So I don't know if that is a facial moisturiser. Oh yes, it does actually say at the bottom. So this says it's a lightweight face cream and it's worth £16. So I do definitely love lightweight face products, so I'm excited to give that one a go next month. And that is basically £16. The box is only 15. Even if I just like that product, the box is worth it in itself. So I will continue to be subscribed to this box for the meantime. I think I did say I was going to give it till the end of the year to see whether I was still enjoying receiving it, but at the moment so far so good. Quite a few products from this box that I am really excited to try, especially that hair towel, because I think I do need something like that to help decrease the dry time of my hair and avoid me having to use the hairdryer for as long. But yeah, I think that was a really good box. It's just a shame I did receive it a little bit later than usual. But that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.